Hello. As you can notice on the board, we're not playing around today. Got some big boys to take care of, so let's get serious, okay? We got to really look at what's going on here. We ready? Let's get it. 3 by 3 equations, nasty. So what you're going to want to do is take your time. Take your time with every step. Watch how I label. That's extremely important. And make sure that you don't have any sign mistakes when you distribute. Okay? Here we go. Step 1, determine which variable you're going to eliminate. Now, I want to get it to where I have two variable equations. That's in my wheelhouse. That's what I know how to do. This is where it's ugly. So I'm going to choose which variable to eliminate first. I want to get rid of my z's. My z's are going to be able to get rid of pretty quickly because I have some convenient coefficients. So when I use my elimination steps, we'll be able to get rid of them with less of a hassle. But the first thing you want to do is I'm going to label my first equation A, second equation B, third equation C. So while I'm going through my explanation of how to solve this, you'll hear me refer back to the equations by name. It'll also be something that I track as I go through my work. I'll refer to them by name. So first things first, I want to eliminate z. So I'm going to look at equations A and B. Notice that I would have to get a -2 here in order to eliminate z. So that's what I'm going to do. Watch my labeling. I'm going to put A together with -2 times B. This is letting me track my work. So when I look back, I can notice the sign mistake if I made it at this step. I didn't change anything with equation A. We have -2x plus y plus 2z equals 2. I distribute the -2 to the entire equation of B. And I get a -6x minus 6y minus 2z equals 0. So far so good. Now that I have my opposite coefficients, add down. I'm left with a -8x minus 5y eliminated, which is exactly what I wanted, equals 2. Now, this is just step 1. These take a little time. This is a brand new equation. So I'm going to label this new equation D. So in a little bit, I'll be referring back to this equation as equation D. Now, I just used A and B to eliminate Z. I need to choose another combination of equations in order to eliminate Z again. Well, if you'll notice, B and C are very, very similar. Those are going to be easy to eliminate. So I'm actually going to take -B and add it with C. And I have to label it. -B, I'm going to add that with C. Notice my labeling. I'm keeping track of my thoughts. So I distributed negative to the entire B equation, which gives me a -3x minus 3y minus z equals 0. I didn't change anything about C. So it's x plus y plus z equals 2. We have opposite coefficients. Add down. I'm left with a -2x minus 2y. My z's again are eliminated, equals 2. It's a brand new equation, so I give it a brand new name. This is now equation E. So just a quick rehash. It's very important you cancel the same variable in your first 2 steps, because now I'm in my wheelhouse. I got a 2-variable equation here, a 2-variable equation here. It's back to basics elimination. So look at equation D and E. The easiest variable it would be to eliminate would be variable x. I can easily make E the opposite of -8. All I have to do is combine equation D with -4 times equation E. I'm doing this so that my x variables will eliminate. I didn't change anything in D. We have a -8x minus 5y equals 2. I distributed -4 to everything. I get a positive 8x, positive 8y, and a -8. Labeling is so important. I know I've said that multiple times, but it truly is. Now as I add down, some nice stuff happens. 3y equals -6. And if you can't solve that, please drop my class. All right? Divide both sides by 3, y equals -2. Was that too harsh? No, it wasn't. We have one variable. I got 2 more to find though. Here's a mistake. Here's a mistake people make. Well, I'm going to plug it back into an original. No. Because think about that. If you know one variable and you plug it in, you'll still have 2 unknowns. I wish we had an equation that only had 2 unknowns. D and E. Plug them into one of your 2 variable ones. Now again, I'm going to continue labeling. I'm going to choose equation E because it looks like we have some smaller numbers. I want to be intelligently lazy. So E, I'm going to write my equation as -2x minus 2 times -2 equals 2. Notice all I've done is replace my y value. So now we're kind of substituting back up the line. This becomes a +4. Again, pre-algebra. What's up? We're back in our wheelhouse. Subtract the 4, you get a -2x equals -2. So x equals 1. Can't stop, won't stop. You got 2 variables known. I need the 3rd. Now we go up to the fat big daddy up here. Choose one of your originals to plug in. I'm not going to lie, C looks delicious. All right? Nicest number is going to be quick, easy to solve. Notice there's a lot of work to be shown. If you try to tell me you did this in your head, I'll fight you. So, x, I won't really. Maybe. All right. X is 1 plus my y, which is -2, plus z, which we don't know, equals 2. Nice. -1 plus z equals 2. Add the 1, z equals 3. Uh-oh, shame on me. I forgot to label it. This is equation C. A little rhyme for you. So now I have my 3 variables. My final answer, listed in alphabetical order, 1, -2, 3. And that is a demo of 3 variable, 3 equation systems of equations.